first thing required for optimum health is oxygen. Your body is made up of trillions of cells. Each one of them requires steady flow of oxygen. Oxygen is so important. Even if few seconds of disturbance in oxygen supply, a few seconds in oxygen supply to cells can cause diseases. If it is few minutes, it can cause death itself. Let me give you a clear vision of this word optimum health. Optimum health means body not only functioning perfectly, the possibility of the diseases happening should not be there. That's what I call optimum health. Every cell needs steady flow of oxygen. Unfortunately, most of us, even though we are breathing, we don't take the oxygen completely. Oxygen supply to each cell is such an important necessity. Not only we don't supply enough oxygen to trillions of our cells in the body, we go on disturbing it. The Siddha tradition, there is a beautiful description. Every time you visualize certain negative idea in your system, for example, if you are visualizing an accident, one part of your body does not get oxygen supply. The moment you create stressful, negative thought, immediately the system responds to it, and the oxygen supply to many parts of your body drastically gets reduced. In Vedic tradition, we go beyond oxygen, one step beyond oxygen. We call it prana. Prana is the food for the mitochondria in your cell. See, oxygen is necessary for cell, but for mitochondria, the subtle part of oxygen, which we call as prana, is required. That is why when you do pranayama or when your kundalini energy is awakened by initiation, your mitochondria cell energy goes so high, automatically you start experiencing optimum health and anti-aging. Breathing is a basic thing required for health. Just if you start breathing consciously, if breathing, proper breathing is taught, thousands of diseases in the planet Earth will disappear. So many of your diseases can disappear just by properly breathing. Human beings need basic training for breathing. How your whole body can be supplied with intense prana, the subtle part of oxygen. How? Not only your mitochondria cell energy, your very DNA can be awakened, made to live through proper breathing. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.